Tangani, nta ito kata wananchi no murai, ugambire na ndo tararo sa kugamba na ngende kugamba kuchimotwe, because basanga once a leader, it means to be a leader. Na ndi ni supporter yae, na njente kukuana kurua, asige tsteni kitu kia Getembe nga, a president, you are most welcome, as a county yetu ya Kisii na Nyamira, or Gusii community. Number 2, asa Gusii nanse yomulembe. Otutaete abantu baminto abagusi bagoteba nga moyo muya urusi ng'ombe serere. Into president geje ayonyo tumutageti kirabuo. Nando nyo wose mukutane yo oche no mulembe omotegerere egoswa egetagoswa kire. But what I know nche from where I sit no nyete ndate because my nimbata barai nimbata barai do me nimbata mo emsione nimbata timaito so tebi mbato mo empione or very close to the president also Mheshimiwa Said Chanda nimbate omogabana Moske Simbarati na ndinero so ile tutam na chaka anyora mo seneta na kwa na rierenga erengwantam tingo manyosina cha toko omo women rebu tutamware Mheshimiwa Donya igona amanyete I think na hata members of parliament ba kuri constituency chinde abo soro chief whip abo Chabet Nyakundi abo Alpha Miruka and hata affiliates members of parliament ba chile for 2 term na bono yo minto manduku kurunyali ban masaba oyo minto Chwasi Nyamoko no mpungo UDA Steve Mugaka for West Mugrango women rep ya Nyamira Cherusa Momanyi and I think those are the people abo abamande bali kwanta mtima simbaje but you see now in leadership as much as you don't subscribe na bono nje tindaikira umugabano ni simba kabisa na wanyotole tuta lakini inyoro chile na bono kyogoro no bwane there is no way I can miss umukutano yo onko ndo nyikara senkire inyunkyo mugabana gotera wete na abachumba abande na bonare ko in college that's Apoko statement abande bari osengwanta na bro baje because oyo gocha tinta yete bamurigeri na William Ruto onda yete bamurigeri ne president the Republic of Kenya tuanche ne president until he dies osaru siku ebintu bire bibere bamotegere weta bago prescribe to his ideology or not bamotegere lakini kuanga atorgocha igo need we lack something that's number 1. Number 2 abantu ba expect so many things na bono njidiganga and straight to nyari ba chachi where I have interest Mheshimiwa Saili na arenge igoro ase word ya na agamba kyogoro agatagora bakechiro na roseti which is right abantu banyiguya I'm not complaining and kiatagorete because from the information I have no tante bet echiro ngwa gachore kyogore nene bono neri agachiro masimba neri agachiro kwerendera masha na motonto moina aso mugaba na boye such like sabantu baje kobera ime binte bingi bira bekumi wana kibatagorete na itu agachite county government nche no mugaba no ringo by that bagatagora ni ndonkere ensemaria Mheshimiwa tongera chagete ngane court igo we expect ne president yegoja number 1 nekyo aigore chire yo anye commission